Hey art friends, today we're going to draw a lot of food.
We're going to draw a healthy snack stack.
Yeah, we hope you're going to follow along with us. You need your drawing supplies. You ready to start?
Yes.
We're going to fold our paper first. Let's take the top edge and we're going to line it up with the bottom edge down here. And when you get it lined up, crease it down the middle and then out to the corners. Next, we're going to take this top flap and we're going to fold it back up to the top edge. Line it up and then crease it down the middle and out to the corners. Yeah, there you go. Now let's flip over our paper and we're going to repeat that same fold. We're going to take this flap, fold it up to the top edge and crease it down the middle.
And crease it down the middle.
Then we're going to take this last fold and unfold it and flatten it out. Then we can flip our paper back over so when we're all done, it should open like this. Next, we're going to take scratch paper and put it underneath our drawing paper. This is just to protect our table, and it doesn't have to be red. We just, it matches our table, yeah. Now we're ready to draw. So we're going to use our markers, but you guys at home can use whatever you have, like a pencil or even a black crayon. First thing we're going to draw is an apple, and we're going to draw half of it above this fold and half of it below the fold. So let's start here, and we're going to draw a little curve that comes up and then curves back down, but then stop. So it comes up. This is the left side of our apple. And then we're going to draw the right side. We're going to draw it curving up also, and then into the first curve. Yeah, there's the top of our apple. Now let's draw the bottom of our apple. Below the fold, we're going to come down this, and we're going to draw a little bump down here. Yeah, and we can draw the other side also, doing the same thing. Come down, curve up, and then connect it in.
It looks like a tooth.
Yep, it does look like a tooth. We need to color it red.
Yeah.
Now let's draw the stem to the top of our apple. We'll draw a little curve coming out. We could draw another one right next to it, but towards the top I'm getting further away. So it gets thicker. There you go. And then we can draw a little curve to connect those two lines. Oh, and we should draw a leaf. Let's draw a curve coming out of the stem. And then up here at the top, we're going to draw a little point, and then we'll curve into the apple. Yeah, we could also draw the center of the leaf, draw a curve in the middle, out to the point, and then we could draw the two little curves like that for the veins in the leaf, and we could draw another one coming out the other side. We did it! Now let's add a funny face to our apple. I'm going to draw a circle right here and another circle over here on the other side.
Gotta always add eyelashes.
Yeah, if you want to. I'm going to draw another circle or an oval inside in the top left for the highlight. And then let's color in the big circle, but leave that little circle white. Next, let's draw the mouth. You don't have to draw it exactly the same as us. You could change your mouth if you want to. I'm going to draw it open. I'm going to turn this into a bean shape, curve around, and then connect into the other side.
Mine's really happy.
I'm going to add teeth also. There we go. And a tongue down here at the bottom. I'm going to draw two little curves for the tongue. Oh, let's color in the center shape for the inside of the mouth. We did it! Now let's open up our folding surprise and we can flatten it out so that it's easier to draw on the paper. There we go. Now we have the top of our apple up here and the bottom down here. So we can have an apple on top of our stack and also at the bottom.
Or you could draw a really long apple.
Oh, you could, if you want a tall apple. But let's add more fruit in between. First, I'm going to draw a banana right here in the middle of the stack. So I'm going to draw a little curve. Looks like a smile. Well, maybe even make it a little curve up a little more. There you go. And then I'm going to draw a little guide point right here. So I want to come back to that point. But let's draw another curve right here that's going to curve out and get thicker and then curve back in towards the top. Well, I like the shape of your banana. That's awesome. Now let's draw the stem on our banana. We're going to draw 2 lines coming up further, and then we can connect them at the top. Anytime we go too fast, or if we fast forward the video, what can our art friends do?
Pause the video.
Yeah, if you need extra time. Should we keep going?
Yeah.
Let's also add another line up here and also down at the bottom. And then we can color in those 2 shapes. We could also add a funny face. This part, I think we should fast forward because our art friends...
We're going to add a lot of funny faces.
We are going to... Yeah, you guys can pause the video and add a different funny face. You don't have to repeat the same steps as us. I think that would be funny if they changed their funny faces.
Like that.
Yeah, like that. Definitely. That
All
one's
of
winking.
my fruit are going to have eyelashes.
Okay, good. I'm going to draw a really crazy mouth on this one. Well, maybe not too crazy. Just a rectangle shape and then teeth. And color in the middle part. There we go. What should we draw next?
Some carrots.
Carrots. Oh, I like carrots. Let's draw an A shape or an upside down V. I'm going to come up like this and then back down. And let's use overlapping to make our drawing look more 3D. So go up and then down. And then we're going to imagine that going behind the banana, and we can draw a U shape like that. See how that shape looks like it's... Yeah, there you go. It's behind our banana. Okay, now we could draw maybe the leaves coming off the end. So I'm going to draw a couple lines like this coming out the bottom. And then we could draw the leaves down here at the end. Now we want to make sure that we don't draw anything below this bottom fold. So down here, this is a guide fold. So when we fold it like this, everything's hidden.
And you won't see a carrot.
Yeah, you won't see the bottom of the carrot. Okay, all right, let's add even more healthy snacks. What else should we add? Oh, we could add another carrot. Let's do that. I'm gonna add another carrot right next to it, like this. And your drawing is a little different than mine, so it's okay. Yeah, if you change it.
That one's thick.
Okay, now let's draw the leaves coming out the bottom of our carrot. I'm going to draw 3 lines. And then we could draw the little bumpy line that comes over here and connects to the other leaves. And we could draw more bumpy lines on the other side. But we need some funny faces on this one. Where are you going to put yours?
I'm going to put it at the tippy top.
Okay. I'm going to put it at the very bottom.
Okay.
I like that one that's trying to kiss the other carrot. That's all.
There we go.
There we go. Okay, mine's angry over here. I also added texture lines on the carrot, but you could leave those off. Okay, let's add grapes next. I'm going to draw a bunch of circles. So first one I'm going to draw right here above the banana. And then we can use a lot of overlapping. Well, before we use overlapping, let's draw a full circle right here. And maybe another full circle up here. So we've got 3 grapes. Let's use overlapping to draw grapes behind these first ones we drew. So we can draw little curves. We're just gonna imagine, yeah, just like that. Imagine the grapes behind these other grapes that we've already drawn. So I'm gonna draw a bunch of them. I'm gonna draw, let's see, another one right here. And I'm just gonna add a bunch more grapes. Now you guys at home can also even add different fruit. You could also add more vegetables.
Or you could add you could add pears.
Yeah, pears. Oh, that would be cool. Or even a pineapple.
Oh, yeah.
That would take up a lot of room. Let's just add a couple funny faces. And then you can also draw 2 lines coming out for the stem on our grapes and then connect it at the top. Yeah. Just like that. Next, let's finish the top apple right here. So we're going to continue this line and connect it to the grape or grapes. And then we can connect this line over here to our carrots. We can also imagine it going behind the carrots like that. And then we can also have it come down. Let's have it come down here. And then we're going to curve back up, just kind of like how we did down here. And then we can also draw the other side of the apple if you have a little room left. Yeah. All right, now let's draw the mouth for this apple. I'm going to draw a different one.
And you want to draw it below this line.
Yes, make sure it's below the fold. I'm going to draw a line like that and a crazy line like that. Then I'm going to draw the teeth on top and also on bottom. And then a tongue back here. Oh, I like that mouth. Now,
It's a
what's my
wobbly
favorite?
mouth.
It's a wobbly mouth. Maybe he's a little worried because the
He
healthy,
might fall.
yeah, the healthy snack stack might
Collapse.
tip over and collapse. Yeah. Next, let's finish the apple down here at the bottom. So I'm going to extend this line over here for the top of our second apple. And then we can also draw the other side of our apple and connect it to the fold. Yeah, let's also draw eyes down here. I'm going to draw really happy eyes, kind of like some of you. Do you have some like this yet? Oh yeah, on your
Yeah.
banana. Oh, and I'm going to add eyelashes too.
This one's going to have eyebrows.
Okay,
And a mustache.
go ahead. I want to see the mustache. I like how it curls at the end. Okay, let's also let's add the stem, just like we did up here. And we can add a leaf. But this time, let's draw the center curve first. So the center of the leaf. And then we can curve back to the apple. And then also connect to the banana up here for the top of our leaf. Oh, let's also add those lines right here too. Hadley, we did it. We finished drawing our healthy snack stack.
But we still need to color it.
This part we're gonna fast forward again, but at the end, you can pause the video if you wanna match our same coloring. You ready to fast forward?
Yes.
Hadley, give me 5. We did it. We finished coloring our folding surprise, our healthy snack stack. It looks awesome. We used a lot of colors. Should we show our friends what's inside?
Yes.
Okay, on the count of 3. 1, 2,
2,
3. Yummy!
In my tummy.
I love your drawing so much. And we added even more healthy snacks like broccoli and also cherries
And
ooh, a
lemon.
lemon. Yeah, I even added more grapes and also some random lettuce. I hope you guys take time to color your drawings also. We used our markers, but you can use whatever you have at home or in your classroom.
We hope you had a lot of fun drawing your healthy snack stack.
We do, and we hope you take time to add even more snacks to the inside. And we'll see you later, art friends. Goodbye. Yum.
Eat my vegetables.